Create a patch pocket using this macro. Start the macro. Within the editor window, you can specify the shape, size, and seam allowance of your pocket. Different variants are available, displayed on the right side of the window. Additional options to move the drill holes and to delete the construction lines are available as well. Confirm with OK. Now select the pocket position on your piece. You can either select a construction line or 2 drill holes. When selecting a line, click closer to the end of the element. When selecting drill holes, click the first one with the right mouse button and the second one with the left mouse button. A new pattern piece for the pocket will be created.